Good, beautiful, sunny, crystal clear skies in the background. A chilly overnight temperature of about 40 to 38 degrees. With the sun rising, the temperature feels good, but still feels like late fall on this very late spring day in the greater Roseville metropolitan area in the great state of Michigan. This is VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you come. That's right, you like, subscribe, and share. As we lost a few subscribers last night. Hopefully we make them back. For a one-of-a-kind company made probability-based trading alert and trading style, company philosophy. Bitcoin, like we said, it's following our track. It's coming down. Remember we had that falling wedge up here, or rising wedge. Remember that? See that? Had that rising wedge, and we broke out of it. We still haven't broke out of it decisively with volume, but we've broken out of it by a big enough percentile and some volume. And we're headed down. If we bounce back up, our little beautiful target that we got there, that would be a great spot to get rejected by the overhead resistance, right? In our track size, we should have a huge fall somewhere, right? See that? Both of our tracks. Say there's a big fall coming soon, right? You could bounce up like this first, hit some of these moving averages up there, and then have that big fall, because the fall is not supposed to happen for another day or two. But pay attention, Bitcoin, you're eventually going to retest down there. See that? You're eventually going down there in Bitcoin. It's going to take a while. You're going to have to trade, right? But you're eventually getting down there in Bitcoin. This is just a quick morning update or afternoon update. Now, I slept in, had a horrible headache, a lot of alcohol last night, right? Dogecoin, you can see it's doing what we said it was going to do the other day. We're straddling that line still, just coming down. And now is almost to your critical spot for Doge. Can we get some kind of bounce? Now that we're here, see that? That's where we kept saying yesterday. You got to watch out. We set up here. Your best chance in Doge is you're coming down here to retest that bottom of earlier in the week when the crypto market crashed. So you're probably going to trade to there. And then your next shot is to come up and bounce off of that to maybe try to make a run at your overhead resistance up. Well, see that? Fuck. Your overhead resistance right there, that's your best chance in Dogecoin, because if you fail that support, you're coming way down. If you can't hold that 2021 or that 25 cent double bottom, you're coming all the way down to 18, 17, 20 cents. Volume still crashed, it's bearish. So pay attention to that. This is what you got to look for in Doge today. We'll get rid of that one. We'll get rid of that one. Fuck. We'll get rid of that one. We'll get rid of that. We'll get rid of that. That's what you got to look for in Doge today. That's your best chance to have a bounce. Doge, my Doge community right now. We're just doing a fast-paced Litecoin. Well, I got a lot of molecular. Let's pull out Eraser. Come on, Eraser. I haven't pulled you out in a while. Bam! You guys wanted more Eraser, the subscribers. You get more Eraser, right? Look at that. Look at Eraser. Killing that shit. Get this shit out of there. This shit out of there, Eraser. There we go. Now, this looks, get rid of that too. Bam. Now, this is fucking the same as the other ones. You're probably going to come down and try to double bottom right here. So you're probably going to trade down to there, and then you can try to come back up to here because you're kind of in a falling wedge. See that? That's probably what's going to go on in Litecoin. Pay attention for that in Litecoin today. We'll make that a little smaller. That's what I think you're going to do. You're going to make that double bottom. Let's move our little target over. That's why I love these targets. See that? You can just keep moving them. This would be a spot that you could run up to after you come down and touch a veil. So that's what to watch out for in Litecoin today. I'll do updates as the price starts moving. XLM, oh, wow, we have a huge mess there. See that? XLM, they're all the same thing. This is kind of what it looks like you're forming in all these coins. We'll pull out a little drawing tool. It's a bearish continuation pattern. See that? Another, what the fuck's up with these bearish continuation patterns? Well, that's what the fuck you're in. It's another bear pennant, right? It's bearish continuation. It's a bearish pattern. Usually you break down out of these eventually. You can break up. It's just a probability based. You break down, and if you broke down, you're going way down there. Let's get rid of that. If you broke down, you're coming down to that target of 21 cents, right? Pay very close attention to that. Nobody cares about the, oh, somebody died. So who cares? Somebody cares, but I don't. So pay attention for that. And XLM, you could hit that and come retest that today, right? Pull our little target out. You could come down and retest there. But if you fail that and you get rejected out of this continuation, this bearish continuation pattern, you're going to trade your way down to 21 cents. Like, subscribe, and share more updates later.